Why'd you shut it off, bud?
Because only in I drive, so I put it on, okay?
Okay.
That's...
How come you're not driving the truck anymore?
Because this is fire.
Oh, well, why aren't you working to put it out?
Because I'm talking.
Oh, well, you should be putting out the fire, shouldn't you?
No, I'm talking to the other side.
Oh, what are you talking about?
I don't know. About the fire.
Oh. Are you excited for your birthday party tomorrow?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? What are you excited for?
I don't know.
You excited for the cake?
Yeah, the cake.
You excited to see all your friends?
No.
No? How come?
Because I'm not.
So then what are you excited about?
Just the cake. Just the cake I'm excited about.
Okay.